You know why me never call nobody? Because me know exactly what I go say. Me no business with you and your friend. And that him I go say. A people see it on the internet and tell him more than one somebody. And go ask her in front of me or behind me if him say even nothing face it to her or nothing. More than him I say, two on if it done, it no look good, whatever. And him no do social media. The two on if it done it. So oh you go tell people say, me care man pan woman. Which part? Where? When? When? Me just assure you say he's an instigator. Be a lie you tell pan people. You say me a 56. Me born 1973. You say me name Erica Bell. I read me name. You say me have 87 sex offender. So if you know say me have 87 sex offender living at the United States which part me live. Oh, you don't know if you get back your blood clot picnic. Think about that. You a tell people say, my son they are prison. It too we have 2 blood clot picnic at prison. Your one get for your life sentence already. Cause you can't get her till she 18. Me no know how much for me I go get. So it too we have blood clot pit near prison. You never know that. You never blood clot know that. Your daughter do a life sentence. Behind bars. Franchise a blood clot baby. My one a 20 blood clot 9 and in just that. Good luck to him. Me's work to home. Me no need people for fight me war. Me study who no blood clot. Me study who no blood clot. Think about this. We know say you nah no shame. Because what you do know if you have shame, you would not do it. Number 1. Dog refuse no. Puss refuse no. Rat refuse no. Cocky refuse no. Amount of bad man we used to fuck you. Girl, remember say you company internet contact. The footprint is there. So how you condemn another woman we fuck bad man? Tell me now. You say me curse because none of me pitney them no come out to nothing. Alright. But your mother no curse fi have you a suck out under girl blood clot pussy. And make gunman have them cocky a back scars your blood clot jawbone. East, west, north and blood clot south. Your mother no curse that. Here another lie where the dirty blood clot girl. Me want to answer this to me. People in a foreign. Me not talk people where they are Jamaica. People in a foreign want answer this. The government a give a 3-bedroom to a single person. You nasty, stinking, dirty blood clot, you dirty girl. But your company internet tell the people them you have 3 bedrooms. Show with 2 room them. Show with 2 out of 3, you nasty blood clot, liar, pussy hole you. Ask the people them in the comment, government a give a single blood clot woman will live by themselves 3 bedroom. You stinking nasty blood clot and boy government a put you in a 4. You suck pussy like a dog. I must eat and make you tell so much blood clot lie. Boy you live in a 3 bedroom. You stink no blood clot. Oh, me forgot to my people then say me fi take it nice and slow. Which blood clot government a give you 3 bedroom? Whore, $1 whore. Which government a give you 3 bedroom? Are you alone? You don't have a chick and you don't have a blood clot child. So how you get 3 bedroom? But you can't show with 2. You are the baddest girl on the internet. But when you lie down in your room, you never can show what they look like. Why? Why you can't show what they look like? You have a paper bedded. Listen to this. And I'm going to show you, say, every day you get up and cuss people. Me see you make a video, me see you up on your live, a cuss Tamara. And I say, Tamara need a bulb. But you know, look into yourself and say, Tamara, they are Jamaica, and you, they are foreign. From a barn, me can see white fridge. And then change it to black. and then change it to silver. But the government still give you the white one where you have. So how you so rank? Oh, you so rank, but you pick out a woman from Jamaica. This are the thing when me try to tell you now. People where they are foreign not supposed to compete with people where they are Jamaica. When we are Jamaica, we struggle. We can have any kind of house where we can blood clot afford. But you, the big bad blood clot wolf, not supposed to be America with a white, they are blood clot Belgium with a white fridge where the government give you. Remember this. You see, Ivani, you have to wash her foot and drink the water. Ivani make you step up your game. We never even see you wash plate. You never cook, you never do nothing. You see that day when Ivani take you on word for word, you start looking at yourself. Ivani a trendsetter for you. And that's why you change the game and go throw something over the dirty settee where you pick up out the road. Show the people them a receipt for something where you're buying at the house where you're in. Where your friend says a nail shop. Show the people them a receipt for something where you're buying at your blood clot house. Show the people them, come out, come show the people them, say, see it here, and me buy the bed here. See it here, and me buy the bed. Come out, come show the people them a receipt. That are no bed, so you can't come show nobody that. Come out, come show the people them. Make we see the receipt for something where you're buying at your house. What kind of jail call? Me not gonna take you, I'm my mother, me not gonna take it. I read, she read, so she call me and tell me say she read. Me take it, if call her, cut her. Listen me carefully. You know nobody on the internet. And this are the next thing again. You see the next time you Ivani a cuss, just tell her say you thank her for what she do for you. You see from your thief the money for the sick girl. I saw you looking to yourself. I said, bumbo clap, what money can I make? Remember, you know, from your dep on the internet, I scan everybody scan you know. Look on all the big mistake where you make. You try impress King Donor and your pussy leak out on the internet and shame you. You know why that happen? Because you no beard for all 3-4 days, so your pussy, the juice in your pussy, clad up in there, and then when you go up on your head, everything just leak out. Like a overflow. Because you no beard. You no beard. And that are the problem. 4 or 5 days what a juice clad up in your blood clad. That's why when you come on the internet and you try to impress King Donor, your pussy feel you. As a young girl, because you say you're young, you know, and me old. Look how far your pussy choose to feel you. On the great TikTok. Have a cut off the caller. On the great TikTok, your pussy feel you. Out of everybody else. But you still feel like you're somebody on the internet. Your pussy are the only pussy where everybody on the internet having a damn phone. A man a fuck you and you don't make a sound. What do them people here, man? Oh God. Tell me. You are the only girl we say you are, because you say I fear the internet. So take it. Take the internet. You say I fear. Because not now go on for nobody. So take the internet. I fear internet. Remember this, you know. Out of all of the mother them in the whole Jamaica. And you are the first man ever hear say give away a picnic for food, you know. And if I did the girl them alone, I said, me would believe, you know. And when me hear the woman come talk, it say, she send you a Uber Eats food. You don't know her. And you send the picnic come give her. Me have to wonder, I say, Bumbo rascal. So the woman just give her one plate, give her one Uber Eats food, send the food to her. That's all the woman do, you know. Member say she a girl who can read and write. And she don't even know a woman name. She don't know a woman address. She don't know where a woman come from. Because she not interested. Alright, me glad to me got a pint so me can touch another pint, you know. You say, me a take up for Akeem and figure it out because my son a gunman. So true Jaden mother give him. So that's why you take up for Jaden true you give for your pitney them. So your sister me and you same thing, we not different. Your sister we not different. Me give me a take up for Akeem and figure it out because my son a gunman. And that you say no. And you a take up for Jaden because Jaden don't have a mother and your pitney them don't have a mother. You see how life funny? You see how life funny though? Girl. All of we as woman come for fuck. So when you cuss girl, see if you can left fuck out of it. Big woman, false teeth, fuck who and fuck who. And make me tell you this, and me tell you this straight and plain. If you feel like you're a bad girl, Shay, go to Jamaica. Go to Jamaica. Because you say, your people them respond to Jaden. So like why your people them respond to Jaden, come we go to Jamaica. Come we go to Jamaica. You don't have to empty out your bank book, just buy a ticket. You don't have to empty your account, just buy a ticket. I give you that challenge. Just buy a ticket, you don't have to blood clot, empty out your bank book. All along you're on the internet, you're starving, you know. A TikTok liar back you ride, you know. And true, you come with the group. You feel like people like you. Germs. Nobody know. You're the most hated on the internet. Me did think of Vani one night time, but you are the most hated on this blood clot, yeah. And me go show no this girl is a wicked girl and is an instigator girl. Who did that on her life a day when she tell people to send things to our group? So fear group and a mix-up group, you know, but she tell them to send people business. You see how they stay? That I just show me, I show you then dirty blood clot girl stay. All of them have group. This is our next point when me I go touch. When me I listen to scream record, you know what girl say? A girl say, me and people they on group call last night, they on her name, and one away, mute the call and she they on the call. Girl, a modern time now, a civilized time now, can show that blood clot scream record. Can show a scream record. People, who don't know me now, no reason for telling no lie. You see that phone here? It alone about, let me see. Let me put here four somebody on TikTok have the number here. I think what they me give Sky the number. But we not talk on the phone. She did send me one video. I know me don't know if she send the video or not. Cause me not go back on the phone. A one number TikTok liar for me. And a this. You see this? This no use more than 35 days. This no use. I told them me go look for it because I ain't no way there. I'm plugging it right now. And if you can prove to the people them say, me did dep on a group call. I wonder when are the last time me and TikTok liar talk on a phone. Maybe almost 2 months. So, me da want to know if 4 somebody have my number on TikTok. 2 of them, me no hear from them, me no see them on TikTok again. If me ain't talk no more, remember, because them come off of TikTok completely. Me give Sky the number what there, yeah. And TikTok liar. So, who and me go have a group call? Where she come out and say, we dep on her name in a group blood clot call. And me can turn on the blood clot phone and show no say I lie the blood clot girl tell. Me can turn on the phone and show no say I lie this a blood clot girl tell. Lie ma tell. One number TikTok liar for me and a this. You see? It just a command. Me No give nobody my personal number because when me there work, me no want when me there work and I meet and them, then my phone ring. And then, cause they know allow we with phone and we run risk and take up for my what happen? And we run risk and phone. So me give them this. Most time people me no carry this and that's why sometimes when they mix up me no get it because this left. TikTok liar can tell us enough time she no get me cause if phone left on me yard and me there work. Cause me done used to carry 2 phone go work. Then 2 yeah. This and that. This one me have TikTok pan. And the girl come out this morning and say, we dey on group call and she dey on the call and she know everything. And me look into it and me say, Father God, if lie was the lottery, you win it more than 100 blood clot time. You win it more than 100 blood clot time. The girl say, we dey on group call. People, all of the girl them, where you see them on TikTok, all of them, me can't count on the anya. How much of them me and them ever talk on phone? Me and Big B talk on phone. Me and Brina talk on phone. Me and Kay talk on phone. And me and TikTok liar talk on phone. Right there so. And the 2 people them when me tell you say me not see them on TikTok again. Me and Kay not look here. The phone cannot even turn on. I'd be right now me I see night blood clot. I see him phone this way girl so we dey on group calling you know. Just so long me tell you say phone dey about the place me can't find you know. So me no know what me if I dead if I Kai bill pay for it you know. Cause 4 phone me pay for every month. And she say me dey on group call. And we are call up her name and she did there listen. I show more show now the last time I talk to TikTok liar. For show no say I like this a blood clot girl you tell. She good I can quick for tell you cause fear phone and this now come on. The last time we hold a conversation. You want me tell you the last time we hold a conversation? When the Peter gay, we never talk back from that. How long that? When Jakes just come out. How long that? She is the only person we put somebody on the call to make it call be a 3-way call. So what kind of group? You put me in a now. Because you did do it the first time. And you come out and you tell the people them say, me no know nothing about the group and me not in the group. I must say one time me text in the group. And when you see say, me a take up for TikTok liar, you change the narrative. You change the narrative. You know, next thing when me see you do, when me know say, from heaven and earth, if anybody in a comment where Leo, anytime we are going to do nothing wicked, we laugh us, you know. Anytime we are going to do nothing wicked to blood clot, we laugh us. We laugh us. And then we go full speed ahead. If one day, I saw you say to me say when we are going to do nothing, we laugh us. So a person thinks that we're not serious because I laugh, we laugh. I had a side that we are going to say. Me say girl. Me never know say a girl. Me never know say a girl where Tasha, where me no know from Adams, could I tell so much lie upon me where me never seen in my life, where me that really want to do something. Where me that really want to hurt, like really hurt you. Just for the lie them where you tell. Because your lie them are not normal lie, you know. Your lie them have to set up people. And set up people against people. Me see some people in the comment, them post the video with the Naya situation and some people in the video, in the comments, people, darn right. Una not think about why everybody want a phone. Una not think about that. Una never say that come to be the biggest part of the blood clot mystery. More than even
now charging.
Una have to pay attention to what go on. Una have to remember say, when you see people on TikTok, after the camera lock off, a total different person. A whole heap of blood clot killer they on TikTok. Not true, you see some boy a laugh with you know. And I act like them and nobody. I chopper them in a real life. I chopper them in a real life. You have to know them something there. No make them come sweet and laugh and talk. Yeah. TikTok put them in a look of safe zone. So them there and them meds we don't know and laugh we don't know and gimmicks we don't know and them there because that's what TikTok is all about. But if night should have turned there, a weeping and blood clot morning. If night should have turned there, a weeping and morning. Because you are going to say, fear me I take up for the boy them. After what the boy them say. People, me I go ask you a question. No long time people argue over number one spot on TikTok. Alright, so if a man say, cause somebody sent me a video last night and I watch the video. If a man or a woman say, me no walk over, you know, me no want to no feel like me a walk over. How me da read that? Me no walk over, you know, me no want to take me for walk over. That means me I tell you so me can defend myself. Me no want to take me for fool, cause me a no fool. You understand? It no mean say me I go shoot somebody and do them like when me do the person before. Come on now, how not put them there together? Why one set of people can talk anything come out them mouth, but one set can't talk? Why anything one set say a joke, but if one set say it a no joke? Are you the person a push the narrative, make it look like a war because Jada never did a push it? Are you a push it and then the screen record them a push it and then people have it and a talk about it? Where is the threat? Come still a wait to see it. Where they can me no see it up to now. Me watch a video where I say, see me watch me live. Where is the threat where uno say, him a go do him like when do Naya? Where is the threat? Where is the threat? Remember when the youth come out, you know, and you are the first one come ready to take down the youth, you know, girl. Remember say the two youth them over here and them not pay no bad no man, nothing and then not do nothing or nothing go on for them, you know, girl. And you never run out for none of them yet, you know, girl. And as you see the youth, I go start the series, and you are the first person will run out on the youth, and the internet lick down your blood clot. I should have in a road you there in a car, lick down your pussy clot in a real life. And the people them I say, allow the people them alone, you're too blood clot enough. Allow the people them, we want something new. And so you're going at your blood clot hole. You was the first person, you did not have something planned. Here the next thing when you come again and I say, the day before yesterday, people tired of Rosalie and Hakeem. Make the people them decide for themselves who your blood clot be. Who you be for decide who tired of who from who no blood clot tired of who. Are you then tired of? Are you then tired of? Cause you don't have no content. You can't make the people them laugh. No content you don't have. Do something to make people even watch you. Just by the woman going on the bike alone, mash up the whole blood clot internet. Because that's something to laugh about. Sometimes that people want look at laughter. You think every day people want mix up? Because when you see that, you have to laugh. You have to blood clot laugh. And that some people want. And when you don't like them, you have to laugh. Can't me think your bike it go turn over to blood clot. You have to laugh. Sometimes I just look and laugh at people want from the internet because they have a bad day at work. But them can't get that because of germs like you know. Remember me tell you, they can't get that because of germs like you. Jen. You have to know that. Sometimes that's all a man a look for a woman on TikTok, look laughter, something to cheer them up. Them have a bad day. And when them see something like that, it make them day. But you have to change it, the narrative in a something else. You have to change it in a something else. Come on. All of the youth then dip on TikTok. Why you never come out with your loud mouth and say, yo, you two nothing live good, the whole I nothing live good. No bother with that, my Dre, no bother with that, no bother with that. Why you never come out with your loud mouth, come do that? No, Christmas a come and you want to stir up something. Because you broke like dog, you know, you want money. Yeah, money you want. That's why you don't want the youth them to live good. Yeah, push. I push a narrative. Come on. For what? Wait for. You alone from the whole month, from last month, you're in a everybody business. Everybody business. And the one time me come out and say something, you hear what you say? Me too enough. So if me too blood clot enough, you are. You are. If Rosalie put on a dress, you talk about it. If she take off a dress, you talk about it. If she put on a blouse, you talk about it. If she put on a skirt, you talk every blood clot you talk about. You're confused. If nobody come on the internet, you talk about it. If you see like somebody go shine, you talk about it. You know them, you have them file, you come and tell with blood clot people, them busy. We don't want to hear nothing from you. We don't want to hear nothing from you. We will sift with bomber blood clot self. We don't want to hear nothing from you. So when you go run out and bow, your son. Every tub they on them blood clot one bottom. From work to home. And that me do. From work to blood clot home. So if you want to be blood clot jury, judge, liar, that's your business. When the verdict I got blood clot pass me, I go in my bed. So if you want to sit up in a courthouse, it's your business. But the only thing we puzzle me, you know, as me say, you live so near. And you're in a Rosalie business and in Pitney them business morning, noon and night. And you live so near. And me never see you get up one day and say, why today after them Pitney, me go look for that little girl there. You no break. You no beard. You no brush teeth. Me go look for a video on YouTube. And if the people then go look back on the video there when you that tell your story, boy, if they looking at your mouth, whitey, then girl they no brush teeth, then girl. When him baby father come out, come say no beard and brush it and actually man at in my mouth whitey, you can't see him tongue of blood clot. Like snowfall in my mouth. Like snowfall in my mouth, you can't see nothing in my mouth. Pussy clot. And them my rankiness, thinkiness, feasties. Girl on the internet. This a girl here. A week before last, this a girl start wear 2 pieces of $14 clothes. Week before blood clot last. Week before last, this a girl start wear piece of clothes and here him a go. Poem that wear clothes right now for me days. Week before last, this a girl start wear 2 pieces of 14 blood clot dollar clothes. Show me a receipt with $100. Show me a receipt with $100 blood clot dollar. You come out for your birthday, $18. Damn. And your bank book what? Blood clot. And you go spend how much money on what? If nobody do what? And you have an $18 frack. Cause frack, you have an $18 blood clot frack for your birthday. But you go spend $1 million on Jaden when no want nothing from you. Okay. Okay. Well, if me have money like you way a girl wicked and blood clot lie. If first time a girl travel got blood clot foreign and get catch with drugs, you know. A girl say in a video say he have him money. Can he carry things from here so they so hear me now? I couldn't hear so in there me call blood clot immigration and make them know say lie to his system. Make them send home in blood clot. If you show him say nobody no want kill him a long time I carry drugs out of him out he come from. He girl say him a carry drugs from when I choose she no come hype. If first time him go and get blood, show we your passport. Show we your blood clot passport. Make we so much stamp you have in that liar. You think no blood clot. One passport you have. One time you travel. All the man will fuck you and come on saying fuck you. You deny like how Peter deny Jesus to blood clot. You tell him man for see man saying swear upon everybody when you have to blood clot. Hear him. You go dead. You go dead. You go dead. The whole away go blood clot dead. You liar than sure. You liar than sure. Me say you liar than blood clot sure. The girl said Jakes go rob what day ya. When Jakes have him baby mother card. Can't go do what he want with it. And then beat him and stab him up. Nobody has hear about that? Nobody in a see you hear about that? You live cross the blood clot ocean, over the sea, round the mountain and the blood clot stars them. But you can tell everything we at my Jamaica. Because you want people to feel like, yeah, somebody. As a boss said it, I said, yeah, blood clot, somebody. Yeah, somebody. Yeah, somebody. Buy your ticket, girl. A 5 year you tell lie. Remember I say first lie where you tell you know. A woman where you give pitney to, you tell her say, for meet you at Jamaica. And I know you no make that trip there. Remember say when you go thief Britney money, you say you go Jamaica again. I know you no make that trip there. Everybody dream when they get then green card or then stay in our country. The first thing they want to do is go back home. Figure show off and make them people them in the community see a foreign they come from. You are the only dead blood clot dog we can do that. The way all this a girl are wicked. When hungry that bite the blood clot girl and he saying can't make it cause hungry killing blood clot the girl get in a spirit. I say God call him. God a call whore, sodomite. Out of all like blood clot young girl them when not even start take man. God go call a girl where suck pussy. Me say I should have dead with a cutlass to whop up your blood clot and send you go bed. Boy, you getting a spirit. God a call blood clot you sodomite girl. We suck pussy like a dog. A strategy she use for thief the girl blood clot money. Bow spirit. Why? I should have a cutlass that fi slap up your blood clot. And from your thief the money, you no get no more spirit again. God no remember you again. So God don't go come one time to you. For sure you fi thief. And then he take away himself. You nasty, stinking, blired blood clot, you. You can't trick a crowd, you can't trick me. You can't trick a crowd, you can't blood clot trick me. Yeah, you can't trick the crowd, but you can't trick me. And me no want nobody for war for me. Me have it locked. Me not have to group up. Me have it locked. Me not have to group up. Me know on the strategy they want to have on the internet. Me know all I want the strategy they want to go come with. Are you run out of the and say, TC no fi tell Rosalie about Pitney? But where you never did a look on, you never did a say Rosalie a cuss ever and a Pitney at the same time when you are war tell people say they no fi tell the girl about Pitney. You never did a say that. You never did a say that, no. Oh. But as me say you instigator, you come for my Pitney. A one way on a war. All a uno. All a uno gang of four. A one way on a war. Uno never have nothing new to come with. The same old story them. The same old blood clot story them. And that uno come with. Uno never have nothing new. Never, ever, ever. You come, and me fi tell you, hungry a killing blood clot. Hungry like a dog. But, you know, yes, he ma pay me. Fi do what? Where ma pay you fi do? Fi do what? What are you doing? Who are you? Where you come from? Who know you? Where ma pay you for? You lying up blood clot. Thank you, please. You lying up pussy clot. Pay you for do what? Where ma pay you for? Only thing you do, instigate. That are your job on the internet. For instigate. Not no more. The way you make a scene about the group. Me can't believe say you make a scene about a group and you have a group too. People on the internet, when people build group, no build group for chat people. So why uno people on the internet act like, oh my God, them did a chat people. Where group make for? Where group make for? No for chat people. Uno want tell people who for chat in a group. So if me I fi go under monitor, fi speak my mind, go suck your mama girl. No girl can monitor me on the internet. If me I fi go find myself in a group and I fi go know where me I go talk. Sometimes me myself no know where I go come out of my blood clot mouth. And anything coming in my head me talk. And that's why I don't have group for. For chat people. When you see she come out with the and talk. What she has said no make no sense. Just like how she has spread the narrative for me now. Leave Jaden alone. Let me say, leave what? So how Jaden coming at this now? No, you may deal with? Are you may talk about it now? Are you may talk about? When you left him chewing down the mother chewing the area. Kuya. So how all of this coming out now? Girl, you want to be seen and you want Jaden fans them for rally with you. Go beard. Go beard. You stink. Go beard. And from 3 till 3 you're up on the internet. What do you say now one little white chart? Your pussy lean, it long till it lean to blood clot. Look like you have one young seed under you. A sucky girl, a sucky down so you know. Pussy clot. Me say, by next 2 years, I want cocky my car. One side I'm pussy drop one side. Long down. You don't see me like white sitting. The phone can't even turn on make you hear when the man a fuck him. Not even so, he not even say eh. Not even him not say when the man a fuck him, you know? Not even eh. He just a take a fuck. He would just a go in him son and come out back so. So, see him where so like come here and I go. See him where not even a sound of blood clot. One big jummy have on that foot, you know? See if one look like it a go come on now. Me never know say young green girl can't fuck and no make no eyes, no sound, no ground, no nothing. Not even him. Not even a blood clot. The man must have wonder say wait. I want tunnel me now. No nothing. Blood clot. Alright, I will show you something. see, it night. It's set from the 17th of October. We talk. We not from the 17th of October. It's 17th of October. And she come with a new lie this morning. From the 17th of blood clot October. Me just a show you, you know. Me just a show you how that blood clot girl a lie, you know. Me just a show you how that girl a lie. Me get one missy, 3 missed call. 3 missed call. One of them are from the 23rd of October. One of them is 23rd of October again. And the next one is 22 of October. 3 missed call alone me get on the phone. For how long? You see how long the phone no work? And she say, alright. So if me I go in a call, either yes so. Alright. The last time this phone, look here. This I say the 14th at the 10. The 14, you know, at the 10. The 22 of November, October. The 29 of October. The 28th of October. I miss call them, me talk on the phone, you know. And see, be a miss call. And she say, me in a group call. People, me a show no say, not even use, me no use the phone, me no go in at the phone. You know say up to the day, not even group. Me no go back in for even go listen, for go look, or nothing at all. Which one of them I did it? Me just that one for show no something.